In this video, Chris is showing how easy it is to replace an existing Haven Lighting Capstone light. All you have to do is unscrew the accent light from the base plate. These are two separate pieces, and that allows you to disconnect just the light without having to remove the capstone, which can be a very labor-intensive and expensive project. Once you have the light unscrewed, disconnecting the old wire and connecting the new light couldn't be easier. All you have to do is twist to disconnect the old wire and twist on the new connector, then screw the light into place and you're done. The low voltage wire that runs from your transformer and up through the capstone or behind the stairs or the retaining wall does not need to be affected at all. Other brands of capstone lights are all one solid piece. The plate, light housing, and wire are all connected and can't be replaced separately. So if something goes wrong with your light, you'll need to spend hours of your day removing the capstone. Check out the video in the description if you want to see a comparison of how we can replace a light in 45 seconds versus how long it takes for a competitor to replace their capstone light.